Hello students, as we discussed boiling point in a physical property of haloalkane and haloarenes, let us do problem, that is a text problem based on boiling point. Question number 6. Arrange each set of compound in order of increasing boiling point. The first option is bromomethane, bromoform, chloromethane, dibromomethane. So whenever we are dealing with such type of questions, first of all we make structure for the name which is given here. First of all, bromomethane. Bromomethane having one bromo and a methyl group. That is the structure number 2. Bromoform CHBr3. This is the bromoform. Chloromethane, chloro Cl, methane means one alkyl group, one carbon alkyl group, that is chloromethane. This is chloromethane. And dibromomethane having one carbon and two Br. So first we are making the structures like this. Then we need to compare first of all the alkyl groups here. So we can say that in all these there is a single carbon atom. So we can say there is single one carbon here. This is also one carbon compound. This is also one carbon. This is also one carbon compound. So first of all we will compare the number of carbon atom in it. And then we will find it out that in the first case there is only one halo group, that is one Cl is present. But in the second case only one Br is present. And in the third case, two Brs are there. That means two bromo group are there. And in the third case, three bromo groups are there. So as we have discussed in the physical property boiling point, the boiling point increases with the atomic mass. So when we compare the mass, molecular mass here, in the first case, the molecular mass is lowest because it have only one carbon and one Cl, because Cl is smaller in size in compared to Br. So when we compare the first and second structure, which one have the lower mass, that is chloromethane will have lower mass. So it have the lowest boiling point. Because when the size of the halogen atom increases, the boiling point increases. So when you compare the first and second structure, second will be have higher value of boiling point. Now let us compare second, third and fourth case. In second, third and fourth case, we'll find that all these have a single carbon atom. All these have single carbon atom. But when you look at in all these Br is present. So when you find it out, in the first case only one Br, here two Brs are there and here three Brs are there. So that means number of halogen atoms increases in the molecule. Size, we can say that the mass also increases. So the boiling point also increases. So that means when you compare these three structures, second, third and fourth, second will have the lowest mass, then third, then the fourth. So we can say that the boiling point is maximum in the case of fourth structure, then in the case of third, then it is in the case of second and then the one. So whenever a structure is given, first of all count the number of carbon atoms. If carbon atom is same, find out how many halogen atoms are there. If same halogen atom, then you count the number of halogen atom. If different halogen atoms are there, as like in the first and second case, in that case you need to find that which halogen atom is greater in size, that will be have greater boiling point. Let us do the second one. In the second one, that is 1 chloropropane, isopropyl chloride, 1 chlorobutane. So let us make the structure for this. 1 chlorobutane. 1 chlorobutane means it is a straight chain compound and with one halo group that is on the first carbon, that is 1-chlorobutane. The second structure, that is 1-chloropropane. 1-chloropropane, that means 1, 2, 3 carbon and chloro is on the first carbon, that is 1-chloropropane. Isopropyl chloride, that is the first structure in which Cl is on the second carbon. You can check it is on the second carbon. So how we deal with this problem? So first of all, I told you need to find out the number of carbon atom in each and the number of halogen atom in each. So let us do the first. In the first structure, that is isopropyl chloride, when you count 1, 2, 3, there are 3 carbons. In the second case, 1, 2, 3. Here also 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the third structure, 4 carbons are there. Let us count the number of halo atoms. In the first case, there is 1 Cl. Second case also 1 Cl. In third case also 1 Cl. In all these, there is same number of halogen atom. So we need not to compare on the basis of halogen atom. Here we are comparing on the basis of number of carbon atom. So we can find that 3 carbon is in the first structure, 3 carbon in the second structure, 4 carbon in the third structure. So where it have maximum number of carbon atom? In the fourth case. So this one will be have highest boiling point because it have more mass. So this have the highest. Third is the highest. Let us compare the first and second. In first and second, the number of carbon atom and number of halogen atom is same in both the case. At the time, we need to find out whether any branching is there in these. So when we look at the branching, there is branching in the case of first structure because second structure is unbranched straight chain, but the first structure is branched. So at that time we can say that branching increases, boiling point decreases. So when you compare the first and second, it have same mass. So at that time we need to check the branching. So branching is greater in the first one. So we can say that the boiling point of first is lesser than the second. So we ultimately got the result that third is have maximum boiling point because have it maximum mass in compared to first and second, and first and second have same mass but there is branching in the first structure, therefore it have lower boiling point than the second. So this is the correct order of boiling point, increasing in the boiling point. So whenever you are dealing with such type of question, first of all, make the structures, count the number of carbon, number of nitrogen, oxygen, whatever it is present in the molecule, number of halogen atoms. First of all, compare with mass, which have greater mass, that will be have greater boiling point. If the mass is same at the time, you need to compare is any branching is there or not. If branching increases, boiling point decreases. So this is a very important type of questions which is usually asked in the exam. So all of you practice such type of questions. Thank you everyone.